Your paint or sealer finish can make or break a project. I like to make sure that I get the best possible finish, and these indicator brushes from Advantage are designed for just that. The load indicator is possibly one of my favorite features of the brush. It ensures the optimal amount of paint is loaded for the most effective and controlled release of the paint. It also reduces the amount of waste and makes cleaning far easier. The shape retention filament is tapered near the ends to ensure a smooth finish without the brush losing shape, giving you perfect straight lines on every stroke. Engineered for all paints, primers and stains, they come in 4 sizes: 25, 38, 50 and 75 millimeters, making them perfect for any smooth surface, especially walls. A tip before painting is rinse your brush before you use it to make sure that it's slightly damp. This will help release the paint more effectively and stops the paint from drying on the brush. For water-based paints, rinse it with water, and for oil or solvent base, rinse with thinners or the specified solvent. Doing this will extend the life of your brush and give you multiple uses with the same great finish. Overall, a great brush that delivers some very nice results. Now, these are just some of the paint brushes available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.